Today we are going to start first lesson. The first lesson name is a hero. A hero. This prose is written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan. First lesson name is a hero. R.K. Narayan. A means one. A means one. Hero means all of you know hero. Film star hero name. Punit Rajkumar, Darshan, like that. The lesson name is a hero. In this lesson, one hero is in this lesson. Who is that hero? And we have to study about that hero. What did he do? We will come to know in this lesson. This prose is written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan. This prose is taken from Malgudi Days. Malgudi Days. It is a novel written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan. If you want to see the video of this, you can go to YouTube and you can write Malgudi Days 43rd episode. 43rd episode, the whole story will come. This whole story will come. Remember this point. Malgudi Days 43rd episode. If you click in YouTube, that video will come. You can watch. All of you understand? Now I am going to start this lesson. First I would like to read. All of you listen carefully and put your fingers on the line. When I am going to tell you to read, at that time you have to read. First I am going to read. All of you listen carefully. Afterwards I am going to explain. All of you look into the book. I am going to read down. For Swami, events took an unexpected turn. Father looked over the newspaper. He was reading under the hall lamp and said, Swami, listen to this. News has been received about the bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger. The paragraph described the fight the boy had with the tiger and his flight up the tree where he stayed half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. I am going to explain this first paragraph. I am going to explain about the first paragraph. Here, for Swami, events took an unexpected turn. Unexpected turn. Expect, opposite word, unexpected. Here I am going to write E-X-P-E-C-T. Expect, unexpected. Expect, unexpected. It is called as opposite word. But opposite word we must not say this one because it is a prefix. It is a prefix. Happy. Unhappy. Unhappy. Like that. Happy, unhappy. Good, I'm going to write like this. Good, bad, like that. Before if we use in, like that, it is called as prefix. Expect, unexpected. Unexpected turn for Swami. I am going to explain now. Father looked over the newspaper. Father looked over the newspaper. Here in this first paragraph, one father is there. One father is there. Father looked over the newspaper. Look means see. You think it is a newspaper. Looked over the newspaper. Looked over the newspaper means look on the newspaper. Who looked on the newspaper? Father looked on the newspaper. Father looked on the newspaper. Means they used here looked over the newspaper. Looked over the newspaper. Father looked over the newspaper. He was reading under the hall lamp. Father was reading. Father was reading the newspaper under the hall lamp. Like that here, father was sitting and he was reading the newspaper under the hall lamp. Lamp is there. This is hall. You think it is hall, and he was reading under the hall lamp. I am going to say the meaning of under. This is book. Book is on the table. On the table. If book is here, book is under the table. Under the table. Under the table. On under. On under. All of you understand? Where was father reading the newspaper? Under the hall lamp. Under the hall lamp. Father looked over the newspaper and he was reading under the hall lamp. Hall lamp. Lamp means, all of you understand? Bulb. You are saying bulb. I am saying bulb. But in this lesson, what they used? Lamp. Under the hall lamp, father was reading the newspaper under the hall lamp. Remember this point. Next, I am going to continue. After reading the newspaper, and father sat. Father say. Say past tense form. Sat. Say past tense form. Sat. Past tense means verb 1, verb 2. Present tense form. Past tense form. Father sat. Father sat. They have not used. And sat. And sat means father sat. Father sat. Swami, listen to this. Swami, listen to this. After reading the newspaper, father said to Swami. Who is Swami? Son of father. Son of father. Swami's father. Who was reading newspaper? Swami's father was reading newspaper. After reading the newspaper report, father said to Swami, Hey Swami! Hey Swami! Listen to this. Listen. Listen to this. Listen to this. News has been received about the bravery of a village lad. News. News. In the newspaper. In the newspaper, news has been received about the bravery of a village lad. Bravery of a village lad. Lad means boy. Lad means boy. Village lad means village boy. Bravery of a village boy. Bravery of a village lad or boy. News has been received about the bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with the tiger. Here what happened? That village lad was returning home by the jungle path. Jungle means forest. The boy was returning by the jungle path, came face to face with the tiger. Face to face means fight with the tiger. Face to face means the tiger. Means in front of that village lad, tiger came and he fought with the tiger. Fight means fight. Past tense form. Fought with the tiger. Let's understand. This is about the first paragraph. Here in this paragraph, what happened? One day, father looked over the newspaper. He was reading newspaper under the hall lamp. After reading the newspaper report, father said, Hey Swami, listen to this. News has been received about the bravery of a village lad. Bravery of a village lad who, while returning by the jungle path, came face to face with the tiger. This is about the first paragraph. All of you understand? I am going to continue three lines remaining. This paragraph described the boy fight the boy with the tiger. Fight the boy with the tiger. Means boy fought with the tiger. And he is climbed up the tree means climbed the tree and where he stayed half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. Means boy fought with the tiger. For some time means he fought with the tiger. Afterwards, boy came to know that I will not fight with the tiger. So what did he do? He saw a tree and he climbed the tree and waited half a day. Stay means he waited half a day. Half a day means full day, half a day. Half day, 1 day 24 hours. Half day 12 hours. 12 hours he waited on the tree. On that way, some villagers means village people came that way and killed the tiger. After that, what did Swami do? That village lad do? He got down from the tree. This is about the first para. Now I am going to explain again. Here I am going to do few activities now. Mr. You come out. Now you also come out. Hey, last one you also come out. Hey, you go there. Stand there. Go back. You also go there. Come and sit here. Remember this point. I am father. This boy is Swami. I am going to do activity. Yeah. One day, father looked over the newspaper. After reading the newspaper, father was reading newspaper under the hall lamp. After reading newspaper, father said to Swami, "Hey Swami, listen to this. News has been received about the bravery of a village lad. He's a brave boy. He's a village lad. News has been received about the bravery of a village lad. One day what happened? Village lad returning home. Where he is? You think it is a jungle? Jungle means forest. He was returning home. He is in jungle. He is returning home by the jungle path. Path means way. Way means road. From the jungle path. He is returning home by the jungle path. Jungle means in forest way, forest road. He was returning home by the jungle path. At the time, who came in front of boy? Tiger came. At that time, what happened? He face to face means he fought with the tiger. Like that. Start fight. Fight with the tiger. And this boy also fought with the tiger. What with the tiger? Then afterwards, what happened? He fought for some time. Afterwards, what happened? Boy came to know, I will not fight with the tiger. At that time, he saw a tree. And then he went near the tree and climbed the tree. Afterwards, what happened? He stayed. Stayed means waited. Half a day. Half a day means 12 hours. He waited on the tree. At that time, what happened? Few villagers. Both of you come. On the way, two villagers came and they saw tiger and they killed the tiger. You fell down. Like that. Tiger died. This is about the paragraph. All of you understand? All of you go now. May I ask you questions now? All of you understand? Who looked over the newspaper? Father looked over the newspaper. Or Swami's father looked over the newspaper. You can say two answers. Father looked over the newspaper. That Rajesh told. Swami's father looked over the newspaper. Where was Swami's father reading the newspaper? Swami's father was reading the newspaper under the hall lamp. All of understand? After reading the newspaper report, who did father say, listen? said to Swami to listen. What did father say about the newspaper report? Swami's father said, one day village lad was returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with the tiger, and he waited half a day on the tree, and some people came that way and killed the tiger. Who came face to face with the tiger? Who came face to face with the tiger? Village lad. Village lad. Who fought with the tiger? Who fought with the tiger? Village lad. Who climbed the tree? Village lad. Village lad. All of you understand? Why did he wait half a day on the tree? Why did he wait half a day on the tree? Because if he got down, tiger will attack and kill the boy. That's why he waited half a day. After half a day, who came that way? Villagers. Villagers came that way. And who killed the tiger? Villagers killed the tiger. This is about the first paragraph. All of you understand? May I stop now? All of you read that paragraph again and again in mind. Now, mind means silently reading. And try to say the story in your own. And try to say in mind this story. Then afterwards what you have to do? Try to say the story to your brother, sister, friend. Then afterwards what you have to do? You have to say in mind for 3 to 4 times this story in English. You understand? If nobody is ready to listen the story, at that time go to ball. Ball means this is called as ball. You have to say. First lesson name is A Hero. A Hero lesson is written by Atinarayan. In this lesson, the story starts with Father looked over the newspaper. He was reading the newspaper. And one day, what happened? The village lad, brave boy, was returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with the tiger, and he come to know that I will not fight with the tiger, so he sought a tree and climbed the tree and waited half a day, and some people came that way and killed the tiger. Like that, you have to say the story to wall. If you practice like this, if you say like this, what will happen? Your speaking skill, means talking style will change and the language will improve. You have to do this type at least 1 or 2 lessons. Automatically your language will improve. You can easily speak better English and you can easily understand the whole textbook. If you do like this, PUC degree, it is very easy. Do you understand? That's why I am telling, try to speak in English, try to say everything in English. If I say one story in Kannada, you are able to say that story in Kannada. Like that, we have to practice this lesson in our own, and you have to try to say the story to your friends. Do you understand? May I stop now? Okay? Nagaraj, say you.